Hello children, welcome to Maverick Masters Academy. In the previous class we have discussed basics of logarithm and product rule of logarithm. In this class we shall go for quotient rule of logarithm and some problems of logarithm. First let us see what is quotient rule of logarithm. What is a quotient? When you divide something by another thing, that will be a quotient. There you will get a quotient. So whenever you are dividing a variable by another variable, then logarithm of that division will be log of first variable to the base a minus log of second variable to the base a. That is, log x by y to the base a is equals to log x to the base a minus log y to the base a. Again, this comes from a power m by a power n is equals to a power m minus n. Suppose if you are considering a power m as x and a power n as y, a power m as x and a power n as y. By applying first rule of logarithm, find the value of m and find the value of n. That is, m is equals to log x to the base a and n is equals to log y to the base a. Because a power x is equals to n implies x is equals to log n to the base a. So we have got the value of m and n. M is log x to the base a and n is log y to the base a. Now let us substitute those values here. That will be a power m is x by y, because a power n is y. That will be a power m minus n is log x to the base a minus log y to the base a. Here this in the form of a power x is equals to n. A power x is equals to n. In place of a we have a, in place of x we have log x to the base a minus log y to the base a, that is equals to n, that is x by y. Now what can we write from this? That is log x to the base a minus log y to the base a is equals to log x by y to the base a. So this is how we got the quotient rule of logarithm. Product rule of logarithm is log xy to the base a is equals to log x to the base a plus log y to the base a. If you get product rule, that will be sum. If you get quotient rule, that will be difference, that is minus. So let us write the formulas of logarithm at one place and we shall go for problem solving, so that it will be easy for you to understand what are the formulas we have encountered till now in logarithms and what are we going to use in the problems. Along with these formulas, you need to know the formulas of exponents and powers and basic algebraic formulas, that is x plus y whole square, x minus y whole square, x plus y whole cube, x minus y whole cube, like that. So let us write all the formulas of logarithm at one place. That is, first formula was a power x is equals to n implies x is equals to log n to the base a. Second one is log 1 to the base a is equals to 0. Log 1 is always 0. Next, third one is log a to the base a is 1. Log x power m to the base a is equals to m into log x to the base a. Power rule of logarithm. Log xy to the base a. If you have more variables, you will be go on adding those logarithms of those variables. That is log x to the base a plus log y to the base a. If you have z, then plus log z to the base a. If you have w, plus log w to the base a. If you have p, plus log p to the base a, like that, you will be adding on those logarithm of those variables. Next we have log x by y to the base a, that will be log x to the base a minus log y to the base a. The last formula is a power log n to the base a is equals to n. If you have the base of the power and base of the logarithm same, that is a and a, then n is your answer. A power log n to the base a is equals to n. Because if a power x is equals to n, then you can say x is equals to log n to the base a. In the same way, if you send a to other side, that will be log n to the base a is equals to log n to the base a. These both are equal. So a power log n to the base a is equals to n. These are the 7 formulas we are going to use in problem solving of logarithms. Let's go for 2 examples in this class and let's conclude the class. You have to solve the examples which are given in the textbook and the problems from the exercise. Along with that, you can solve some more problems from the previous model papers, previous examination papers, so that it will be easy for you to score good marks in your final examination. First question is, if x square plus y square is equals to 25xy, then prove that 2 log x plus y is equals to 3 log 3 plus log x plus log y. Now he has asked us to prove 2 log x plus y is equals to 3 log 3 plus log x plus log y if x square plus y square is equals to 25xy. Let us consider LHS first. That will be 2 log x plus y, and by applying power rule of logarithm, that is m log x is equals to log x power m. By applying this formula, you can write this as log x plus y whole square. What is x plus y whole square? Formula is x plus y whole square is equals to x square plus y square plus 2xy. Substitute that formula here. That will be x square plus y square plus 2xy. And we are given x square plus y square is 25xy. Substitute that 25xy here. That will be 25xy plus 2xy. We have taken 25xy in place of x square plus y square because it is given as x square plus y square is equals to 25xy. Now what is 25xy plus 2xy? That will be 27xy. We are adding the coefficients of xy, that will be 25 plus 2, that is 27xy. Now by applying product rule for this, I already told you, if you have more than 2 multiples here, you will be adding the logarithms of that particular multiples. Here that will be log 27 plus log x plus log y. But on the right hand side we have 3 log 3. On the right hand side we have 3 log 3 plus log x plus log y. Here we got log x plus log y. We need to get 3 log 3. By changing this log 27, we can get 3 log 3 because this is the only entity we need to find out now. What is the prime factorization of 27? That is 3 9s 27, 3 3s 9, 3 1s 3. That is 27 is 3 cube, log 3 cube plus log x plus log y. Again this is in the form of log x power m. We need to apply power rule of logarithm. The power will become the coefficient of log. That will be 3 log 3, that is 3 log 3 plus log x plus log y, which is equal to our RHS. LHS is equals to RHS, hence prove that 2 log x plus y is equals to 3 log 3 plus log x plus log y if x square plus y square is equals to 25xy. Just we need to apply the known formulas here and we need to solve the problem. మనకు తెలిసిన ఫార్ములాస్ని అప్లై చేస్తూ మనము ప్రాబ్లమ్ని సాల్వ్ చేయాలి. We shall go for second problem, that is 3 power 1 plus x (3 power 1 plus x is equals 2 power 1 minus x). Then if 3 power 1 plus x is equals to 2 power 1 minus x, then find x. You need to find the value of x from this. Here this is in the form of a power m plus n, and this is in the form of a power m minus n. What are the formulas for a power m plus n and a power m minus n? A power m plus n is a power m into a power n. A power m into a power n. We are applying this formula for this term, that is 3 power 1 plus x. In place of a we have 3, in place of m we have 1, in place of n we have x. 3 power 1 plus x will become 3 power 1 into 3 power x. 3 power 1 into 3 power x, because in place of a we have 3, in place of m we have 1, in place of n we have x. By substituting these 3 here, we are getting 3 power m is 1, 3 power 1 into 3 power a power n, that is 3 power x. We are writing that here. Again, here we got a power m minus n. What is the formula for a power m minus n? That will be a power m by a power n. Here in this case we have a as 2, m as 1, n as x. By substituting these 3 here, we are putting the values of a, m and n in the formula of a power m minus n, that is a power m by n. We are writing that as 2 power 1 by 2 power x. A power m is 2 power 1 by a power n is 2 power x. So 2 power 1 by 2 power x. Now we shall send the terms of x to one side and constants to other side. So this will be multiplied to 3 power x, as it is dividing 2 power 1 in the right hand side. 3 power x into 2 power x. Send 2 power x to other side, that will be multiplied to 3 power x, and send 3 power 1 to other side, that will be 2 power 1 is 2 by 3 power 1 is 3. Here 3 is multiplied to 3 power x, so when you send 3 power 1 to other side, that will be dividing 2, that is 2 by 3. Again this is in the form of a power m into b power m, that will be a into b whole power m. If you are multiplying with the numbers of with same power, 3 and 2 with same power x, you have to multiply this and you have to put the power as x. That will be 3 into 2 is 6, power x is equals to 2 by 3. Now this is in the form of a power x is equals to n. A power x is equals to n, that will be x is equals to log n to the base a. A power x is equals to n implies x is equals to log n to the base a. So if you send 6 to other side, that will be 6 is equals to log 2 by 3 to the base 6. So this is the value of x if 3 power 1 plus x is equals to 2 power 1 minus x. So we need to remember all those formulas of exponents and powers along with the basic algebraic formulas and formulas of logarithms in order to solve the problems of logarithms. Logarithms problem solve చేయాలంటే ఈ 3 ఫార్ములాస్ మనకి వచ్చినట్లయితే ఈజీగా సాల్వ్ చేయొచ్చు. ఇక్కడ మనం ఏం చేసాము, పవర్స్ ఎక్స్పోనెంట్స్ ఫార్ములాస్ యూస్ చేసాం. ఇక్కడ ఇంతకుముందు ప్రాబ్లంలో మనం బేసిక్ ఆల్జిబ్రా ఫార్ములా ఎక్స్ ప్లస్ వై హోల్ స్క్వేర్ యూస్ చేసాం, అండ్ అలాంగ్ విత్ దట్ వీఆర్ యూజింగ్ ఫార్ములాస్ ఆఫ్ లాగరిథమ్స్. లాగరిథమ్ ఫార్ములాస్ కూడా యూస్ చేస్తున్నాం. ఈ 3 యూస్ చేస్తే మనకి లాగరిథమ్ ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ చాలా ఈజీగా సాల్వ్ చేయొచ్చు. సో దీంతో మనం లాగరిథమ్స్ టాపిక్ కంప్లీట్ చేసుకున్నాం. ఇన్ ద నెక్స్ట్ క్లాస్ వీ షల్ గో ఫర్ అనదర్ టాపిక్. టిల్ దెన్ బై బై ఎవ్రీవన్.